Now we shall study the third type of loop called exit control loop. In earlier, the condition was being checked before entering the loop. Now here the conditions is checked at the time of exit, and this is called a do-while loop. So we'll create a program for this. Let us follow some convention. So this bracket comes here, and this do-while loop structure is like this, and here the while would be there, and here the condition would be there, and since at least one statement should be there, so there is a statement terminator here, right? Now consider a case where a person is adding up his income every day. So at least one transaction every day we are assuming. So first question should be that you are asking for a number of what number of the value of item sold, right? So we'll take that value in float. Let there be a float number, and then finally we have to show sum, which will equate to 0.0 in the beginning. Because it is a float number, we'll write as a decimal number. And two numbers also we can define like this. This one is uninitialized, and this one is initialized with some 0, right? So here we'll request the person to enter a number. Enter number directly. So this is he is selling something, so the value of that number he is actually entering here. Okay, and we'll collect this into using the stream extension into this value number, and then finally we'll create this sum equal to whatever sum previously was there, which is initially it will be 0, and then it'll keep on adding to sum plus number. And there is a shortcut of writing this kind of expression. We can also write it like plus equal to number. This is a shortcut operator to sum is equal to sum plus number, right? This we frequently do in C++. And here, if we want to stop entering numbers, we'll say that number will enter a 0.0 or 0. So it should be not equal to 0.0. So this loop will continue until the person is actually entering a valid positive number. Okay. So now you will start understanding the purpose, because first question must be asked. After that, the decision on that question must be done. Okay. That is why such a loop is required. Let us run this. Enter a number. Suppose first sale item was for 23.20, second sale item was for 11.35, third item was for 10.00, and then I'll enter 0. So there is program termination, but what we have not actually printed, finally the total we must print. Cout total sum. Without total sum, we won't know what was the total. It did calculate the total, but we did not printed it. Sum. Total sum equal to, and then AND also we can put here. AND is for line in. Again calculating. Let us do it with simple numbers. 2.5, 1.5, 1.0 and 0. So this total is 5. That's what it calculated. 2.5% by 4 and then 5. So this total sum it has done. This way we can actually keep on entering a very large amount of data also. 11.34, 12.32, 11.23, 56.23. These kind of programs are useful even in scientific data collection, and finally a 0 to end the loop. It has easily given me the total. This is a fairly simple way to get the total of multiple entries. Okay, so that's how we can see the advantage of a do-while loop. Please like, share and subscribe.